Hello my loves, I am Malika. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, then do not forget to subscribe to my channel as well as press on the notification bell icon. Now that would mean the absolute freaking world to me. So today I'm here for a very exciting video, I think, because so many of you have requested me for this video, and even my near and dear ones have requested me for this video because I was suffering from a lot of acne. Now I have always been from the dry skin side, okay, but from the past like 1 year, I don't know what is wrong with my skin. It has become like a combination type of skin, and it was getting really dry in winters and really oily in summers, and I started having PCOD. So I think I am having PCOD since 2 years, and that had caused acne because I never really had any kind of skin issues. Never. Like my school life, I never had any like I didn't even have a pimple on my face. So you can understand my skin was really in a good condition. Now that doesn't mean that I'm saying people having acne like their skin isn't in a good condition. Of course not. Their skin is also in, like, skin being healthy and skin having acne are two different things, okay? Please do not confuse them. People having acne can also have healthy skin. Acne is just like a skin condition, and it's nothing. Like, you are more than your acne, of course, much more than that. Your skin doesn't define you or doesn't say who you are. Never. But now this video is completely on my experience, how I cured my acne. And so please do patch test before using each and every product which I will be showing you in this video. And there's a disclaimer that I'm not any dermatologist, I'm not any cosmetologist, nothing of that sort. I haven't studied any of them, and I don't want to sound very scientific in this video because I know most people will skip that portion. So कोई बात ही नहीं बनती है सबका. So of course I'll just talk to the point and what are the things that helped me getting cured and getting rid of my acne. I still have marks, not that my marks have also gone. My marks haven't gone yet, but they are going. They are in the process of going. But my acne is gone, touch wood. And so before beginning with this video, I will be showing you my skin, and that actually takes so much of courage to talk about. I mean, so much of courage to actually show how my skin was. My skin was in a terrible condition. I have clicked all these pictures without any filter, no Photoshop, nothing, just zoomed in with my iPhone XR, and I have clicked the picture so that I can just show you the clear image of how my skin looked, okay? It's going to be really terrible. It's like my skin was in a very bad condition, okay? So yeah, I'll be showing you. I think you will be seeing it right here, my skin condition. This was my skin condition 2 months back also. Not that this skin condition was 2 years back, it was just 2 months back. And I really worked hard on my skin to get rid of my acne. Now I have not been to any dermatologist, no. My gynecologist itself had given me had given me one medicine, sorry, not medicine, it's an ointment medicine sort of, which I had applied. So that is the only dermatological product which I have applied. Other than that, all are like मेरा रिसर्च से ही हुआ है. लाइक আমার রিসার্চের বাইরে তো কিছু হয়নি, okay? So only that one particular product is recommended to me by my gynecologist, and she isn't a dermat. So other than that, I have not been to any dermat, but I would highly request you to visit a dermat if your acne is just not going. Please do not rely on these YouTube videos. It can be a scam for your skin, because your skin is more important. Like, it's the most important thing. So yeah, please do visit a dermat, do your researches, and then think of watching the video or buying these products. But still, I'll be sharing you my journey, how it was and everything. So it was very difficult, first of all. And to be very honest, I haven't given anything on my diet. Like, I still have dairy products, I have mango. So I haven't given up on any of my food items. It's just that I took good care of my skin. That's it. But diet में कुछ नहीं. Okay, I have never been very fat and all. I've never gained weight basically. I have always remained this thin only. And this video is not about my weight. It's about my skin. So let's move on to that. And yeah, I'll be doing my entire skincare and showing you what all I did, what all I followed. Now this skincare, you guys, please do not just do these skincare things because they look fancy and you do it for 1 or 2 days or 1 week and then you get tired and you just like nahi yaar mujhse nahi hoga. No, please, if you are following a skincare with just a face wash and a moisturizer, then please yaar wo to kar lo at least. I mean, just do that much at least. So yeah, without any more further ado, let's just move into the video and we'll see what all I did and what is my skincare routine. This is both my AM and PM skincare routine. I'll be showing you all that I followed throughout. So yeah, let's begin. Using a face wash. So for face wash, I'll be using this Himalaya Neem foaming face wash. This really works good for my... See, face wash doesn't really matter for me. I use any face wash. Like, I'm a face wash holder. I have so many face washes. And so I use any face wash given to me. But I really like using this face wash for acne. It's nothing like that. Ki for acne, you need to use this, and for this, like, you can use any face wash. Oh my god. I'll apply some water and then I'll just wash my face and be right. So I've just washed my face. वैसे तो I just allow my face to pat, I don't even pat dry my face. I allow it to air dry only. But for the video, I'll just pat it dry. ऐसा rub मत करना, okay? Always pat dry your face. It's very very important that you pat dry and not just rub your entire face. And I have been actually I have actually been face shaving for around 2 years. Yeah, for around 2 years I have started face shaving, and oh my god, it is so good, so good. And now I am a hairy bear, okay? I have so much of hair growth. I can't even say, like, anyway, I don't mind that, and even you shouldn't. It's very very natural. And see, hair growth, it just depends from person to person, and you need to accept yourself. Like, if you want, you remove. If you don't want, please do not feel pressurized to remove. It's your body hair, it's natural, it's just so natural. It's just a part of you, so you're not supposed to feel shameful of it. Or like, if you want to remove, you definitely remove it. Like, I prefer removing everywhere, like remove not everywhere, sorry. I prefer removing my hair from each and every part of my body. But it's completely up to you whether you want to remove it or not. It's not like somebody else will come and say you to remove it and you will remove it, or you'll see an influencer or a YouTuber on social media and you'll remove it. No, it's not that, okay? You remove it when you are comfortable, when you want to remove it, not when you feel pressurized to remove it. So I'll be using this like normal, it's a normal tinkle razor which I got from, I don't know, from a local store, I guess. I don't really get razors from online. It's always from a local nearby store. So yeah, I'll be using this, and I'll also show you how I shave my face. So I'll just get you zoomed in. I don't really have a lot of hair right now because I actually remove my hair every week, and hair removal, it completely depends on the amount of hair growth you get. So I don't really remove it every day, I remove it every week. Yeah, so therefore I don't have a lot of. And you know what, this hair removal thing, it just takes out so much of dead skin cells. Like, if you, I have never ever used a chemical exfoliant. I'm just 21 years old, so I don't think chemical exfoliant is very much necessary at this age, and I don't feel the need of any chemical exfoliant on my face. So I don't really use any chemical exfoliant, and neither do I use a lot of physical exfoliant, because I think that actually, you know, hinders the barrier, the face barrier. So of course I don't really use a lot of physical. One more thing, I have never ever been to a parlor. It's like for my brows, it's always myself from the time I have started doing my brows from like 1 year, and since then I have always done it at home. I've never ever been to a parlor. Now I have become a pro at this hair removal thing, but if you are doing it for, and I don't really like to remove my sideburns, but if you are doing it for the first time, then please be ultra careful. And these are not my acne, it's my acne marks, so I will be going over them. It helps in removing the dead skin cells. Hair, like, I know the amount is really less because I have shaved a week back. So now after I am done with my face shaving, I like to apply a clay mask, which will make my face a lot more drier. As it is, my face has become very dry right now, but I'll be using a clay mask and just get rid of all the impurities. Now I do not do this every single day, I do this twice every week. Now I think no cosmetic mask actually works for me, so for me the natural multani mitti or fuller earth only works for me, so I'll be using that. So I'll show you how I take like this much amount of the mask, like 1 full spoon, and take a small bowl and put this, and then using this Kama Ayurveda rose water, I'm just back after washing my entire face, and you can see how squeaky clean. Some ice cubes, because I feel that after you shave and use a multani mitti mask, your face becomes supremely dry. So yeah, using ice cubes, rubbing it all over my face. If your face is super sensitive, then please take your ice cubes inside a towel and then apply like this. But I'm not going to apply like that, I'm going to apply it directly. Of course I cannot take it on my hand because ठंड लगती है मेरे को. It just closes all your pores, and of course, like, it helps in shrinking down your pores. With my rose water, I think I have got a small cut here and a small cut here. Now just tap it in, and I use my rose water as a toner. So yeah, now I will be moving on with a vitamin C serum. You can use any vitamin C serum, and please do look into the ingredient list very well before using any serum. Now for the time being, I am using this Plum vitamin C serum. It's a newly launched product of Plum, and I mean to say I used a lot of vitamin C serums in the past, and my most favorite vitamin C serum has been Eba vitamin C serum, the skin glow serum. It contains hyaluronic acid as well as niacinamide, which niacinamide is a chemical exfoliant, and it actually works very well in acne prone skin. And I have also used the Minimalist vitamin C 10% serum, which is also very good. And I thought I would be reviewing that product, so if you all want, I can leave it down in the comments down below, so that I will leave a review. And for the time being, I'm using this. It's a 15% serum. Please do not use a 15% serum unless and until your skin is used to vitamin C, like. So please do not use a 15% vitamin C serum directly, like if you haven't used a lesser percentage of it. So, but I have been using a lot of vitamin C serum before, so my skin is used to taking vitamin C serums. So I'll just take this and apply this. It has I'm not going to waste my product. I'll just show you the consistency, the thickness of the product right here. This is the product, and it's completely clear, as you can see, like clear. It's clear. I would highly recommend keeping it inside a refrigerator or a very dark place, otherwise it can hamper your vitamin C, and the product might just turn yellow, and vitamin C serums are expensive, so you do not really want your product to turn yellow or lose its efficiency. Sorry. Before using this serum, I use my clindamycin gel. I'll show you. You just laugh at the tube right now. See, just see. I have actually cut the tube into half to take out the product. Now the price of this product is, I think, something around 210 rupees. So I don't really like wasting my money, and therefore I just cut my product and just take out, like जितना हो सके उससे निकाल लो types. Okay, don't really like wasting money at all. Skincare is expensive now. Like using this aloe vera gel. It's by Khadi Organic, and it's a very beautiful aloe vera gel. It doesn't have any color. It's very affordable. It's 198 rupees, and it's transparent, as you can see, and I really like applying this gel because it's transparent, has no color, and it's very soothing also. So massage it. With my moisturizer, and I'm using this Nivea Soft Moisturizer right now. It's really good. I feel it's hydrating and it's not greasy. I don't like applying greasy moisturizers. Feels so chippu. So I'm going to warm it between my palm, my fingers, and then apply it. My face feels supreme.
It's glowing, and you can see the glow too. I have nicely moisturized my entire face.
I will be using my Iba Halal sunscreen with 50 SPF. I have taken like a lot, as you can see. 3 fingers of sunscreen है ये, तो बहुत ज़्यादा ही होगी. And you have to apply a lot, okay? Be generous with your sunscreen. No conjuicy with sunscreen. It helps a lot in actually, working for your acne marks and pigmentation, any any like dullness or anything like sunburns. It helps a lot for your skin. It's really good, and I really love this sunscreen. It's so nice, not greasy, and doesn't leave any white cast, and helps a lot with your acne. It contains witch hazel, it contains aloe vera water. It is like so good. It also contains coconut water, and it's so refreshing. With you, I'm using the Blue Heaven lip balm. It's very nice. It contains shea butter and very moisturizing too. So nice. You can apply it underneath any lipstick and it doesn't change the shade because it has no color, and it just gives a very nice and a dewy look to your lips. So yeah, with that we come to the end of this video, and I'm so happy that you all watched this video along with me. I did my skincare, and I think it would be really good if you have done your skincare also along with me. That would pamper your skin. And if you are just like sitting and bored on this Sunday, please don't forget to do this skincare along with me. That would make me more happy. Yeah, that's all for today, and I hope this thing really helped. I have been following this journey for about a year now, and I think that has only helped in my acne to fade away, my acne to go away, and to achieve a clear skin right now. My skin is not at its best right now. It still has the marks which needs to go away. I have dark circles, but that is not due to any issue. It is due to my obviously hampered sleep routine. Like, that's not anybody's fault, and I don't really use any eye cream or anything else. I don't use anything fancy like any face tool, nothing like that. It's just these products which I have shown you, nothing extra. So yeah, that's all for today, and I hope you all love this video. If yes, don't forget to click the like button, share and subscribe to my channel, share it with your friends so that they reach out, and please it just means so much if you subscribe to my channel, and it takes a lot of effort to make a video. So subscribing and liking, commenting, your comments make me so happy, and it just motivates me to do or to make more such videos. So yeah, that's all for today. Bye bye. I love you all so much.